Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Assetto Corsa Rally game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to check system requirements. So make sure your PC meet the required specs to play the game. For that, go to Steam. Now first search for the game and after that go below, and here you can see the system requirements to play the game. Make sure your PC have all these requirements and after that try to launch the game. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it and click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers to the latest version. After that, launch the game. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, click on library section. Here you have to select your game. I am showing you an example. Now after right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game application. Now after selecting the game application, double click on it and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, then you have to run the game as administrator. For that, select the application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK and then launch the game. If it doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if the issue is resolved. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on general. Here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it is working now. If not, again come back, type -dx12, type dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays a vital role. So you're suggested to set up the settings properly and also lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issues. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings and after that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed or not. If not, click on allow another app, then click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application and add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, you have to select the game and after selecting, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK and after that launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU setting. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable, so you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that, click on in-game and here you have to disable the option enable the Steam overlay while in game option. Enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable. Once done, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next solution is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go to the link that I have already provided in the description, copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it. Now after it opens, you will get either repair or install option. So if there is repair option, click on repair and wait for some time. Now it shows setup successful. you have to restart your PC once. After restarting, log into the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will check if any update is available. If yes, you have to update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. Next method is to perform a clean boot. So for that, press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Now click on OK. After that, this will open system configuration. You have to go to the services tab, select hide all Microsoft services and click on disable. Once done, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Now here you have to select the application and then click on disable. Once done, click on OK and then restart your PC and then check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. After that, add the game to the list. Once you add the game to the list, here you have to select the game and now click on arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Assetto Corsa Rally game. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. Once the game is removed, restart your PC and then launch Steam and again reinstall Assetto Corsa Rally game and try to play the game and check if you can play it without any kind of further problem. So using these methods, you can easily resolve the crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen or other issues in Assetto Corsa Rally game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.